Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see some of the important commands that we usually need when dealing with Docker images. So let's first see how to basically list all the available images in Docker. So if you run the command docker ps-a, it will give you uh, what is the container, the image tag, and then what is the status of this particular container. So I before just recording this video, I have started this container, but I'll stop it and then I'll show you how to start it, how to log in into the container, and some of the more important details. So just to stop the container, this is what you need to run: docker stop, and you have to give container id. So it will it will take some time, maybe a minute or so, and it should stop the container. Okay, so let's wait. So after stopping, it just gives you the container id which it has stopped. And now if you check docker ps-a, then you will be able to see the status has exited. Earlier it was up about a minute, like how much time it has been running from, but now the status is exited. So how to see or how to list the containers that are available in your machine is using the docker ps-a. How to start a container: docker start, and then you have to give the container id. So this is how you will start a container. And now if you run docker ps-a, then it will give you that it is running, right? The status is up from 6 seconds, right? Now let's see, since we have already started this container, how to go inside this particular container. So for that, you have to type docker exec stands for execute hyphen it container id, and then in which shell you wanted to log into. So it is /bin/bash, right? So now once you type enter after typing this command, then you will be able to log into this container. Like as you can see, this is a Cloudera's quick start container Docker image, and that's why I am seeing this root at the rate quick start. Okay, so that's the way it has been configured, no worries there. But now you are into the container and you will be able to run all the Linux specific commands, because this is a Linux container. You'll be able to run anything that you wanted to run, like for example JPS, whatever processes that are running into the container, and basically anything that you wanted to run. So this is a Linux container, and that's why we can execute. Now how to come out of this particular container: just type exit, and you will be able to come out of this container, but still the status of this container would be running itself up about a minute. Now stop, you already know, docker stop, and you have to give the container id. It will take about a minute and it should be able to stop the container. Yeah, it has stopped the container. And these are very frequently needed commands when you are trying to work with Docker. So let me know if you have understood this particular, if you have any doubts, anything that you want to add. Do comment, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next one.